Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. And on today's episode, we'll be talking about how to connect your GitHub to your Vercel account and deploying your project live automatically from Vercel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing we'll be talking about is ensuring that you have a Vercel account. So you need to ensure that you're logged into your Vercel account and you can access your dashboard, your Vercel dashboard. Also, I'd like to encourage you to ensure that you have your GitHub account open. And for today's video, we're going to be deploying this project. This is a portfolio project that I created 3 years ago. So once we are on Vercel, what we want to do is we want to import the project. And once you get to importing, it's going to ask you to select a Git provider to import an existing project from. So I use GitHub, so I'm going to click GitHub. Once I have that, it's connected automatically. So here I can choose the project that I want to deploy. And as you can see, the project that we want to deploy is this project. We're going to go here and I'm going to type the project name, and you see it here. Once that's done loading, I'm going to click on import, and it's going to ask me for a few details. The Vercel team, the project name. It's going to take the project name automatically, use the name that I use for the project. And I want to state that it's going to deploy from the development, because that's the default branch on GitHub. It's not advisable to deploy the production branch here until you're very sure. If you're not on the senior team, I'd advise you don't deploy the production branch. Anyway, let's go to the next tab. It's a framework preset. You choose the framework that you used. I used the React app to create this web page, so it's chosen that for me. It's detected that automatically. Now for this root directory, it's going to ask you where your root directory is. The root directory is usually where the root of the files. If you're a developer, you know where you can find that. It's for React apps is usually the directory where you find the source files and the public files. So I'm going to deploy from here. As you can see, it's deploying and it's building the logs. It's going to build the project, and we're going to wait for it to build. But this is a warning. These are all warnings. This should not stop the deployment. It's just an npm package warning. And as you can see, we have the final deployed project. It says you just deployed a new project. And if I continue to dashboard, I click here and continue to dashboard. It's going to show me the projects here. If I want to visit this website, this is the development website. You can just click here, and it's going to take you to the page, and you have it here. Now this website happens to have a mobile view also, which is also deployed here. If you want to delete the project, say you don't want to deploy this project anymore and you want to delete it, you can go to deployments, scroll down here, click on deployment, and you're able to see all your deployments. This is where all your deployments will show. You can enter into the deployment, click on these 3 dots, and you can delete the deployment. Once the deployment is deleted, please know that you still have the project on GitHub and you still have the project on Vercel. So you can redeploy this project on Vercel, or you can choose to leave it on Vercel and delete the project itself on Vercel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one. See ya.